Yeah, g'day guys, just out for a day ride today. As you can see, beautiful sunny day, just full of fuel here. Always fill up at the BPs. Generally, I find them the best, good quality fuels, and they always seem to employ locals, which I like. So yeah, generally just get the BP for the bike. Just going to do a bit of a loop out from home today, not too far, but swing out past a couple of dams, Moondara, or Blue Rock and Moondara, and then just sort of loop my way back, grab a coffee somewhere. So it's just a bit of a casual cruise. Lovely day, good day to clear the head. It's actually quite warm today, which is nice. We're just starting to come into a little bit of warm weather in Gippsland. Just, as I say, going to head out and do a loop, have a little bit of lunch on the way. So yeah, we won't be doing anything too technical today, but it'll be interesting. Some of the rivers are a bit higher at the moment. We have had a bit of rain, so we'll have to see how we go getting across some of them. But I think most of them should be fine. In fact, I'll probably make a route that doesn't really go across too many rivers, so yeah, we don't have to do any big turnarounds. Anyway guys, good luck. I hope you Melbourne people get out of stage 4 as soon as possible for the COVID, and yeah, we'll see you out there. So we're just coming down River Connection Road here, and we're onto River Connection Road, and yeah, just coming in, swing by the Latrobe River here. It's very interesting because you can't cross the Latrobe River for about I reckon it's probably 100 k's between Willow Grove and Hawthorn Bridge. Is the next bridge going upstream. So yeah, it's quite a long stretch. So if you want to get to certain areas on the other side of the Latrobe River, that's the Latrobe River there on the left. And, you have to do quite a major loop, which is always quite interesting. I thought there would be a road, but I've spent many days looking at maps and trying to cut my way through, but there is no other crossings. This is the first bridge between here and Hawthorn Bridge. So just coming down to Blue Rock now, guys. This is a water storage built in the 80s, early 80s I think, late 70s, early 80s. And yeah, it wasn't that popular at the start, but it's certainly getting popular now. They've changed the rules. It used to be a maximum, I think, of 10 horsepower on the lake or something along those lines, but they got a bit more sensible and basically unlimited the horsepower, but just put a speed limit on the whole lake, which is a fantastic idea. And since they've done that, it's become a lot more popular with a lot of the fishermen. As you can see, as you go around past the boat ramp here, there's it's a Sunday afternoon, and people are everywhere out here fishing. They've improved the playgrounds recently, so yeah, it's a good use of a resource, I reckon. A lot of people get a lot of fun and enjoyment out of it. People sail on the lake. People, you can bring your normal fishing boat as long as you just putt around, don't go too hard and fast. So yeah, it's started to get a lot more use now, and yeah, you can see there's quite a good wharf set up and ramp set up there. So yeah, it's good to see them investing in it and giving people opportunities for recreation, as you can see by all the boat trailers and the boats getting ready to go. Great little area now. How deep is it, people? How deep? Shotwise there, dropping reasonably flat there. We'll just have a crack, I think. There's the water running over. What a cracking day, eh? So glad I live out in the country and not in Melbourne, the poor buggers. Anyway, hopefully we'll turn it down and let them free this after another week or two. Beautiful spots you come across on the South Face Road now. It's a very serious bridge, but have a look at the water. Beautiful. Beautiful scene. actually say what river this was, but it's a fairly serious river. There'd be snow melt at the moment. Beautiful clear water. Still a beautiful day here. Just cruising along the South Face Road below Mount Erica and Ball Ball. Sort of starting to head home now. Away a little bit late this morning, so it is what it is. But great day to get out on the bike. Oh dear, we are not getting across there. We are simply not getting across there. Bugger. Bugger, bugger, bugger. Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Just sort of going to head home now. I'm basically going to cut across the back of Hawthorn Bridge and just head straight back home. Been a good ride. With that turnaround though, I'm sort of running out of a little bit of light, so I'll just make a bit of a beeline for home. Yeah, but it's always good to get out on the bike. Great way of clearing your head, and yeah, I highly recommend it to anyone. Hope you enjoyed it. Nothing spectacular, no ride-bys or anything too exciting, but just a bit of onboard. I don't know about you guys, but I always enjoy seeing people's where people live and their local riding areas. It's always good fun. So I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you on the next adventure.